Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the time format in your user account on Calendly in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to Calendly, log into your account, and for this method you will need to access your account settings. You may do that by clicking into your profile icon in the top right and navigate to profile settings here. Here guys, navigate to profile to the left, scroll down, and here you will see the current time format. For example, as you can see, I signed up from Poland, so the time format we use in Europe is 24 hours. But if you're in the US, for example, or any other English-speaking country, you may switch to 12-hour format with AM, PM. Click into the drop-down menu. You may also change the date format here, for instance, starting with month, days, and years. So it depends on the region or country you live in. Confirm by clicking to save changes. And from now on, your time format will be 12 hours so that your team members or event invitees you invite to your team meetings, for example, will see that scheduling with that time format, and you as well in your account. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.